In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document category in Clio Manage and use it when organizing your files. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard before moving forward, so it's easier to follow the next steps. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Documents. This will take you to the area where your firm's files and document-related options are managed. From the Documents page, head to the top right corner and click Settings. This is where you'll find the options that control how documents are organized inside Clio Manage. After the Settings panel opens, locate the Document Categories section and open it. This area lets you create and manage categories that can help keep your documents more structured and easier to find later. Next, click Add Category or New Category, depending on what your screen shows. Clio's layout can vary slightly, but the option will serve the same purpose. Once the category window opens, enter a name for your new document category. Choose a name that is clear and specific, so it's easy for you and your team to recognize when sorting or searching through files. If there are any available category settings, configure those as needed. In some cases, you may be able to adjust additional options related to how the category is used. If you're unsure about a setting, it's usually best to keep it simple and only change what's necessary for your workflow. When everything looks good, click Save. That will create the new category and add it to your list of available document categories. At this point, the setup is complete, and you're ready to start using it. Now, when you upload a new document or edit an existing one, look for the category dropdown. Open that menu and select the new category you just created. This helps keep your files organized from the start and can make document management much more efficient, especially if you're working with a large number of records. A quick tip before you finish: using consistent category names across your team can make filtering and locating documents much easier over time. Keeping your naming simple and standardized can really improve your document workflow. Thanks for watching.